for the next 3 days, actually, we are entering into a learning exercise, actually, which is very important for the researchers nowadays. We all know that literature review is the core area or the nucleus of the research activity. That too, we have to do in a systematic and scientific way. What is lacking nowadays in the research is the systematic way of doing the literature review. If you perform the literature review in a systematic and scientific way, that will help you to overcome all the hindrances or intricacies in doing the research. So sometimes there may be an argument that the systematic review is applicable for the research in medical science or research in other physical science areas and all. That is not true. It is applicable for all the researchers, even in social science research. So for the next 3 days, actually, we are planning to do this workshop in such a way that we will help you to formulate your research problem in a systematic and scientific way, and how to do the systematic review in your research area by formulating an exact research question and by searching in the databases, the valid databases, how to merge the data sets together, and how to perform the bibliometric analysis, and how to report the review results in a systematic and scientific way. So A to Z of systematic literature review will be discussed in the forthcoming seminar, in the forthcoming workshop. So I wish a happy learning to all of you, and welcome to all of you to this 3-day workshop. And thanks to the organizers. Thank you very much for inviting our team to this particular workshop. Thank you.